Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this meditation platform. So to get started, Solink is a meditation app designed to offer a deep immersive experience using a sound therapy, frequency-based music, and a calming visual. It focuses on helping user reduce stress, sleep better, and improve focus through guided meditation and binaural beat. The app interface is clean and smooth, and it offers a range of audio sections paired with a peaceful nature sense and abstract visual. It ideal for users who enjoy a more sensory-rich meditation experience. However, the app is more expensive than most, with limited free content and a subscription start at around $29.99 per month. Some users also mentioned that the Android version is less stable and lack features found in other apps. Unlike apps like Calm or Headspace, Solink doesn't offer a structured medication tools or a strong community aspect. Overall, Solink is worth it if you want a premium, visual-rich meditation tools, but it might not be the best choice for beginners or budget-conscious users. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.